Good morning to everyone. Guess what time it is? Bee time! Happy sweet home! Be kind! Isn't this cute? My cute little bee tray. Isn't it cute? And my son-in-law made me this cute little bee display. Nobody else has because my son-in-law and daughter made it with their own little hands. Isn't it beautiful? Looks like a piece of honeycomb. And look how she finished the ribbon off too. Isn't it beautiful? All the honeycomb all the way around. Anytime you see a DIY, you can pretty well gather my son-in-law or my daughter made it, since Grandma is not a DIYer. Now here we have the Home Sweet Home jar full of honeybees to make us some sweet honey. And here we have a honey jar with our little bee flying around in joy. And our little thing you dip down to get the honey. Isn't it cute? And a little bee right on top. And all the black and white check, so pretty. And then a little birdhouse, all done with black and white checks too. Isn't that the cutest thing? And down here it says, home is where your honeybees. Isn't it cute? Love the little sign. And then it says, be sweet. And then we have a cute little gnome and his little pet bee and his honeycomb hat. Isn't it the cutest thing you've seen? And then, brand new, another one of those cute tops inks that you can put on any cup. Isn't it cute? Look at all those beautiful honeybees flying around and a little cherry right on top. Then we have this beautiful, beautiful bee. Isn't it gorgeous? Just love it. I've had these about a year or so, and then I found these and I got these bee plates over at Pier 1 Imports before they went out of business. And these plates here, the purple ones were from Hobby Lobby, and the yellow and purple was from Home Goods. But you can see they match really good. And of course, we have these beautiful napkins with the bees on them, and it says, be kind. Isn't it beautiful? Then we have the little bees scattered about the table. And these are new also. I got some bees from Mackenzie Childs. These are brand new, I just got. And look at the bees flying around the sunflowers, so pretty. And here is my other little whip topping, and it has the little bee on it too, and the black and white check goes perfect. Then the little bird houses, so cute, isn't it? And then look at my beehive. Isn't that so beautiful? I just love it. And see the honey dripping off and all the bees fluttering around. Just thought it was so cute. Well, this was my bee post for 2021. I hope you all enjoyed it. I thought it turned out beautiful. Wanted to share the black and white little saucers that go to my cups. Are they not beautiful? I just couldn't believe how pretty they were. I hate to even put anything on top of them because they're so pretty. Saucer so much. I'm thinking they would look great on top of a dinner plate and use it as a dessert container. Isn't that cute? Just love it. But we guess we should put it back where it belongs. I wanted to share a couple more Mackenzie Childs pieces that I got for this post also. This is one of their older trays from the past that my daughter got secondhand, and I'm going to share with you that it is a Mackenzie Child piece. Here's the stamp that lets you know it's a real Mackenzie Child piece that we found.
So this is a Mackenzie Childs. It says 1983, and it was made in Aurora, New York. That's their main headquarters.
So just letting you know where it was found. Not found, but where it was made. Okay, and then the other piece we have here of Mackenzie Child's little beads. Are they not the cutest thing, the black and white? Really love them to pieces. And they're like my butterfly. They have the little pearls on them too. I really was very happy with how this is turning out. Let me know what you thought about the new pieces we got.